Mr. Umberto Malecci, you are nominated for the Innovation Award. And can you tell me about your project?
Yeah, Fluidmesh is a wireless company. We developed this wireless technology for train systems where we're able to stream high throughput from a moving train that moves up to 350 kilometers per hour. We're able to stream data, voice, video up to 100 megabits per second. So it's a very innovative technology. And we actually have filed 3 different patents on this technology, and we are the only one who is able to deliver up to 100 megabits per second, up to 350 kilometers per hour. So the way it works is that we build an infrastructure of access point along the track of the train, and we have one access point usually every 3 to 5 kilometers, and then we mount a wireless device on top of the train, and the device connects to the different base station and is able to switch from one base station to the other in less than 1 millisecond, while streaming video, voice and data. So this technology can be used for different applications. First, to provide Wi-Fi for passengers. Now passengers on trains, on high-speed trains, they want to use Wi-Fi like when they are at home or in the office. So with this technology they can have the same seamless experience in browsing the internet. The second important application is related to putting cameras on board of the train and streaming the video for security purposes. For example, when you think about a light rail system or commuter rail system where there are security issues and security threats for the passengers, the train operator can watch the cameras live in the control room because there is enough bandwidth to stream all this video from the train to the control room while the train is moving.
Which railway companies in Europe are already using it, or outside of Europe?
So we're working with several railway companies in the US, like CSX and BNSF, mainly in the freight space, and now we're talking with the main operators, train operators in Europe that are very interested in this kind of technologies, because they realize that Wi-Fi on board is the main reason why people are using high-speed trains versus airplane and cars. So essentially, here we have the antenna. That's an omnidirectional antenna that can be mounted on the pole, and together with this, we're going to mount the radio device that gets mounted and connected to the antenna. So everything gets mounted on the pole, for example, on the GSMR pole, and gets power from normal 220 power. This device with a different antenna can be also mounted on the train and be the mobile device. At that point, you are going to mount on the train a smaller antenna, an antenna designed for train operations that mounted on top of the train, and this will be mounted inside the train and then connected to the Ethernet network on the train, or to the Ethernet existing network in the train.
If you compare it to 4G, is it much faster than 4G?
It's up to 10 times faster than 4G, and the other big advantage is that 4G, it won't be in the rural areas where trains travel into. Probably it's going to take 10 years before you get 4G coverage in those rural areas. Instead, with this technology, you can mount a cost-effective infrastructure exactly along the track of the train and provide 10 times the throughput of 4G along the track of the train where we actually need that technology and that throughput.
On remet donc ce trophée